Hey guys, wondering what it's like to live full-time in your RV and have a moving day? We'll show you. Check it out coming up. Family Adventures TV! So this is moving day for us. We are just going about 2 hours from Wauchula at 1,000 Trails to Largo, which is Vacation Village, over in, well, I said that, Largo, Florida. So this is what the place looks like when we're packing up. Yeah, that's our bed. And it's not really that bad. We've got a few more things to put up, like we got to take the shoe rack down and the curtain rod that we have in the bathroom. That's another big mess. So this is normally filled with all of our stuff, but as you can see, it is bare because the stuff is all in the bathtub, so it will not fall around. Now, back and say the TV stays up because it's got a nice mount on that, and then this will have to go up because this all slides together. See this nice dirty floor? That will be cleaned because we are forced to clean every time that we move because we see all the dirt and such that is hidden. So, and Patty wants to say hello. Say hello, Patty Wad. So the dog, he gets to hang out in the truck and has lots of fun. Now, Kitty here, say hello. Say hello to the camera, Kitty. So Draco, he does not travel that well in the vehicles. Ah! No, don't jump on, don't jump on my back. But he doesn't travel so great in the vehicles, so he has to be in his kennel. But then he's happy as a clam when we get there. So, moving day, we do a little bit of prep the day before so that we can really just throw things in within a matter of a couple hours. We're on the road. So, we'll take you along on our moving day with us. So, outside now, Hubs is getting the outdoors ready to go. Usually, we do, like, I'll take over the inside except for the heavy stuff that he has to lift, and then he'll do pretty much all of this outside. I'll help him with the tent sometimes, like this morning, just a little. He just gives me something to do so that I feel good about myself. So we are packing up. We gotta get these little tie downs cut down so we don't flap all over the interstate. Yeah, so packing the outside up. We've been here for what, 2 weeks? Yeah. We've been here for 2 weeks. Our next location we're going for 5 days. And then our next location we're going for like 3 days. So it's gonna be a little shorter than we normally do. Normally we do like 3 weeks, 2 weeks, just because
Nathan knows that this is a foot locker, not a plate.
or a trash bag. And we even have an outdoor trash can.
I know. We made it easy for him, but it's not easy enough.
Yeah, so full-time RVing with kids is definitely interesting. Let's say that. In, and as you'll be able to see, coming up,
Ow, ow. Sorry, you coming in.
As you can see, there's like no room whatsoever if you were to want to get in here without the slide open. It is packed. So, yep, that's that. Okay, so this is my first time pulling the RV. We got the tow engaged.
You need a bomb to mine.
It definitely feels a little different with that. That on the back.
What's we towing?
Go ahead and start turning.
We are going to our next location, Jojo.
I need that bomb. Wait, you have to shut.
Okay, that mirror is not even like what am I supposed to be looking at over there?
Beside the trailer.
Okay, I guess it's good then.
You being with a share?
Yeah, man.
I'll share.
Yes. Can you hear it?
I'm here to share mommy now.
Alright. Doing good.
Yeah. So this is actually pretty cool. Now that since we're only in the campground and I'm not actually having to be on the road.
I'm here to see mom.
Don't hit the tree. I'll do my best.
When you make your turns, look through your mirror to watch your trailer.
Which mirror?
Both of them.
Okay. So what am I looking?
Depends on which direction you're turning to make sure the trailer's not going to hit anything.
Okay. Well, your arm's in the way.
Yeah.
Okay. So.
Is Mommy driving, Jojo? Alright, just pull up here and stop, and then I'll
Mom, I got your drill.
take the garbage off the back of the truck and throw it away.
Okay. That's fine.
Watch out for biking Santa Claus.
All right.
Justin.
Alright, you can turn it off now. So we just grabbed some food. Is that good, Joseph? Yum, 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 yum. We just grabbed some food. I just transitioned into the passenger seat. And
she's driving on the phone.
Ah!
Just kidding.
And then we also had to stop and take our RV shades off. Like, I don't know that we had to, but just to feel a little bit safer. We don't want to like catch wind and have it snapped off or something. We're having fun, Joseph. So, anyway, here we are on the road again. Sky, you too.
I don't know, but it's happy that we
Alright, Tampa. See the beautiful Tampa and our dirty, dirty wind.
And a burn! You died to burn!
Hey, y'all, look out the
Hey,
windows.
look out, guys. Look at the water on both sides.
Whoa! Whoa! I think we can walk on
Walk on the water?
it. Yeah.
Who are you, Jesus? Oh, okay, that's good. I don't think you can.
So here we are at our new spot. Got a nice concrete slab. So obviously we're RV parking it right now. But we'll show you some boondocking later. Thanks for hanging out with us today as you see our moving day. Make sure you like, subscribe, and share with a friend. Have an amazing day.